Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a fascinating word. Our word of the day is challenge, a B1 level noun meaning a difficult task. So, what exactly is a challenge? Well, it refers to something that tests your abilities or determination. It's not just any task. It's one that requires effort and skill. We use challenge in many everyday situations. Let's look at some synonyms for challenge. We have difficulty, for example. She faced a difficulty completing the puzzle, and obstacle, like the broken bridge, presented an obstacle to their travel. Now, let's explore antonyms for challenge words that mean the opposite. First up is ease, as in, the homework was completed with ease, and solution, for example, the final answer was a solution to the problem. How do we use challenge in our daily lives? You might say, I am facing a work challenge, or learning a new language is a fun challenge, or even she loves a good challenge. Here are a few more examples. The mountain climb was a true challenge. Finding the right words can sometimes be a challenge. He never backs down from a challenge. This math problem is quite a challenge. So, to recap, challenge means a difficult task, and some synonyms include difficulty and obstacle, while antonyms are ease and solution. It's a word we use daily to describe things that test our abilities. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoy learning new words, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And finally, please leave a comment below with your own sentence using the word challenge.